Hey, hi everyone. So this is Prateek, founder of Myra, and if you're a student or someone looking for a job, this video might can change the way you think. Because everyone is saying that AI can take your jobs, but I have realized that after building an AI product, the AI can't take your jobs. The reality is the AI isn't replacing the ambitious people; it's replacing repetitive works. Think about it. If one person can complete 10 hours of work in 2 hours using AI, what do you think companies will hire? Yes, the person who ignores AI or the person who knows about how to use it effectively, the biggest risk isn't AI. The biggest risk is refusing or to learn. So, what students should do right now? Instead of learning AI, spend the next 6 months learning skills and AI can amplify. Learn programming, learn communication, learn projects, build the projects, create a strong resume, practice interviews, learn how to solve real problems. These skills might become even more valuable when combined with AI. Why I started Myra, I will tell you. That's exactly why I started building Myra, and I saw students investing time, hours because they didn't know what to learn next. Some had skills but no roadmap. Some had resume but couldn't get the interviews and get the opportunity. Some stay motivated but for 2 days and they give up. I wanted to build an AI companion for students that can get in one place, like many millions of people are using right now on a platform that is WhatsApp. So I want to connect something for that people can directly grab the opportunity from the platform that are existing. They are really using right now. So technology always rewards the people who adapt. Myra can change your future and grow in your career. So Myra can prepare for your roadmaps that you want to learn. She can guide you through your career 24 into 7, and she can build your resumes, prepare for interviews, and she can do many more things. She has the feature of task manager, and if you want to learn with Myra, so the link is in the description box. You can check it out the link and start growing in your career. So if you want to know more about Myra and Myra updates, so subscribe to this channel so you can get the more updates and stay productive with Myra. So Myra can help you in your career and grow in your career. So this might change the future with Myra. So grow with the lessons of Myra and start building your future today. So I will see you in the next video. So start building the career. Thank you.